Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching picture morph transition in PowerPoint that's sure to impress your audience. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint. First, select the rectangle shape and draw it on the right side of your slide. Now, remove the outline and fill it with white color to give it a clean look. Right-click on the shape and choose Format Shape to open the panel on the right. Here, let's add a soft shadow and gently adjust the shadow settings until it looks smooth and professional. Next, insert a rounded corner rectangle and place it right above the white rectangle. Remove the outline and choose a nice color for it, something that stands out. To keep things consistent, select the white rectangle, go to the Home tab, and click on the Format Painter. Then click on the rounded rectangle to apply the same style. You can also fine-tune the shadow settings here to get the effect just right. Now, duplicate the large rectangle by pressing Ctrl+D and place the copy above the previous shape. This time, remove the shadow from it. This gives us a layered background effect. Next, it's time to add some text. Insert a text box, type your text, and rotate it 90 degrees to the left. Now, position it neatly inside the shape. Make sure everything is aligned properly. Then group the shape and the text together. Once grouped, send them to the back so they stay in place. Now, duplicate this shape group twice so you have 3 in total. Distribute them evenly using the Distribute Vertically option in the Align menu. Change the text in each group as needed. Again, send the grouped shapes to the back to keep things tidy. Let's move on to the images. Insert 3 images onto the slide. Select the both images, go to the Picture Format tab, and click Crop to Shape. Choose the rounded rectangle shape. The image now takes on a nice soft-edged look. Resize and adjust it to fit nicely into the design. Make this first image slightly larger than the others for a focal point. With the image selected, add a shadow to it and adjust the settings for depth. Now, add a text box below the image to label it. Next, duplicate the slide. On the new slide, select the first image, click on the Format Painter, and apply that style to the second image. Remove the shadow from the first image so the second one stands out. Rearrange the size and position of both images slightly, and update the text. Duplicate the slide again and repeat the same process. Adjust the shadows, resize the images, reposition them, and update the content. Now for the final touches. On the last slide, move the A and B button to the left to hide it. Do the same with the A and C button on the second slide. On the first slide again, hide the B and C button off to the left. Then, duplicate the first slide one more time. This time, move button A to the left, and slide all the images and text off the slide. This will prepare for a smooth exit effect. Finally, select all the slides in your presentation. Go to the Transitions tab and apply the Morph transition. And that's it. You've now created a smooth, eye-catching picture morph transition in PowerPoint that brings your slides to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more awesome PowerPoint tutorials.